Hello! Welcome to day 27 of October Overhaul. I'm gonna try to make this quick because my storage is not been kind to me. Did not make a video yesterday and I was kind of bumming on myself for that. But in reality, me and my entire family slept all day in a way of like, I think it was really necessary rest. I'm all tangled up on myself. I think that it was hella necessary. We woke up, everyone had breakfast, fed the baby, the cats and everything, fell asleep, and for like quite a few hours, and then woke up in time to go to work, and then when we got home, we were all in bed by 10:30, so I thought that was kind of, I guess, necessary, sometimes we just need to take those days of just rest for ourselves, and I guess it happened to be yesterday, it's the only day I haven't done a video, so I was gonna give myself that one, sometimes we need to just take those days for ourselves, and so I guess that's what yesterday was for me. Today I finished a lot of the stuff that I needed to do in order to get my license. That included mailing out some stuff and paying the last little bit, I believe, $20, paying the last little bit to do that. So now, Monday, I'm going to call everybody and just make sure everybody got the mail they needed and everything's done. And that's it. Then I just wait for them to email me my license number, and then I can get a job anywhere I fucking want. I don't know. I'm ready. I'm so ready. I'm so done. I just want to get a job. And I know once I have my license number, I'm gonna find a dope job. I'm really good at finding jobs. I've had many. I've a million different jobs of different types, and I work hard, and I know I do. So I know I'm gonna be able to find a job somewhere that's gonna be awesome. It's just waiting for the license number to do so. That's it. So, I'm just hanging out in my living room. This behind us is our Purpose Prospect. This is our altar right here. We got some plants going. I got my massage diploma over in yonder. Some pictures of my son's ultrasounds. I got mirror. That is a picture of Baba Ramdas, who is definitely my guru. I love him. Be here now, be loved now. Got a bunch of artwork. My Reiki certificates are over on that wall. Yeah, so we've been building up our altar. I rearranged the living room, and so the flow is so different in here. It's pretty wild. We have a lot of space right now. Kyron, go. He's over here. Come here. There he is. There he is. He has a ton of space to run around and do stuff. So, planning on, I'm gonna try to finish this up before my storage gets full. But if you haven't found me on Instagram, find me on Instagram. transmu, TRANSMU dot tae, TAE dot shun, TION, transmutation, and I'm going to be doing a giveaway. Is what I'm planning on doing. I'm going to give away a pendant that I have made, quartz pendant with a fat chunk of quartz on macrame, hemp macrame, as well as a couple of other things I'm working on getting together. That's because I've almost hit 3,000 followers on Instagram. So that's crazy. That's wild. 3,000 is a lot. I'm pretty blown away at that. Especially because my Instagram is something I'm transforming. I'm in the works of trying to create business through there. So that's pretty wild for me. So I'm going to be doing a giveaway on there, and I'm gonna mail it out, pay for it, cover it, just some cool stuff that I have created that I would love to share. So I'm gonna be doing that. All these things are coming together. October's almost done, and it's pretty crazy. I'm so grateful. My son learned to walk this month. He's so big. He's such a master. He's the biggest, cutest he's doing squats right now like a pro. I think he might be pooping. I love him so much. I'm just very grateful for this journey. I can't wait for what's next. It's gonna be dope. Things are only gonna go up. I'm gonna start doing hoop videos as soon as October Overhaul is done. I'm going to step into the real work. So this is just, my way of opening up this relationship and introducing myself and who I am and saying, this is what's going on. This is Kyron. He's a cutie tootie. Doesn't want to wear his hood. No, but he's cute. And, we're very grateful for you guys. It's been a hell of a journey, but it's only gonna get more fun. And yeah, it snowed today, so it's an interesting day. But thank you for tuning in and coming through every day on this wild ride. So see y'all tomorrow.